Hello, you buggers, and welcome back to my channel. Can you see what's at the back? So this is finally coming home. So you have to wait little while. I just wanted to start off with this, that it has been in a long awaited process for this to come home. And where to start, I don't know from where all to start, but this bike, this model came out on 27th of March, and I booked it. 10 days later it came out on 7th of April, and I was so excited, and I was waiting. So they had a piece here which had about 9 kilometers on it, but I said no, get me a brand new one which is just come out from the store. So they had to order it all over again, and I waited quite some time. 1 minute, yaar, call. So I waited quite a long time for this, patiently, because it came around on the 18th or 19th, and today is 28th April, my birthday. I wanted to take place on my birthday date, so I had to wait a lot, and so excited. I hardly slept last night, so about 4 hours I've slept. Very excited. My parents know only, and my in-laws don't know, and my wife's brother doesn't know what's coming. So I'm going to record their reaction when they enter, so they don't know anything what's going on. I just told them we have come for some work here in this sector. They don't know where we are. Anyways, I'm waiting for my brother, and my dad are also on their way. So let's start the process, and yeah, cheers.
Flashback.
You don't like the black color? The black one? Yeah. Which one you like? This one? Blue color? Yeah. Which one you like? This? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Bye bye. Oh, you're going to meet her?
Polygon appreciator made almost for this.
Oh yeah.
अब तुम्हें एक चीज़ बताओ, इसका वो कैसे करेंगे आप? नंबर प्लेट का नहीं, मेरे को वो वाला नंबर चाहिए। नंबर का सब लाया हो गया।
Yes. Get it down.
Did you like this one? Yes. Yes, you fool. Yes. Yes. So this is the teal color that I selected, and look at this bloody bugger. Huge fat Japanese. See his belly. Belly is huge. There you go. 650 twin. Oh, and let's see. I wanted to show you this. Can you see that? 0. Come on, let's see. They're going to bring a bring it. I'm not going to say her, I'm going to say him. They're going to bring him out and park him here. And let's see how it is going to happen here. I hope it's a good setup they do. I've told them to cover it up, and then we do the unveiling for Insta and all that stuff. So see there, they're sitting quietly. They don't know.
बस हवा निकल गई।
दूजा पैर लाओ, ये इधर आओ। हाँ जी, ऊपर भी एक्टिव हो गया आपकी। See ya.
What to do here? Oh, your bike!
Yeah.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah, my new bike.
Congratulations, Nanu.
Thank you.
Congratulations, happy driving.
Thank you.
Wow!
My present to you, is it?
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप।
Wow. Now we have to get the
Yeah.
No.
Oh, sad. We don't go down.
Come, you also come this side now. You all have to come.
Jedu, go stand with your daddy. Yeah, wait.
Ready?
You like the color? Yeah. You like the color?
I'll take it. I'm taking it. No, you don't go. I'm going to go.
See the number plate. It's actually birthday and Jaden's year of birth.
My birthday date and Jaden's birthday and Mama's birthday date. Come this side. That's okay. Come, you also come.
Yeah.
Take a picture of all of them.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come this side.
Yeah, for Connie.
Connie, come here.
You come out.
Yeah. One minute, huh? Wait. No, wait. Jaden!
That's a better one.
Yeah.
Good.
Very nice. Ah, bring your helmet and... You like the color? Beautiful. Yeah. His choice.
Full speed.
See his helmet.
हाँ मैं दे रहा हूँ।
That's missing the fun. He didn't want to black. What? Black bike. No.
और उनको ये स्कैन करने के लिए स्कैन करवा कर मेरे को दे दो। ये हटाना फोटो छपती है इसका। वही तो कह रहा हूँ चश्मे उतार। ये भी हटाना है ना। हटा दो। चुप, बिल्कुल चुप। कौन ही और आलू भी अच्छा कितना आरसी गले
Look here, Andrew.
Bye. Let me take it. Go sit down there. Go sit down. Give this. This is mine.
No, this is daddy.
Should see here. My name is written. My name is written.
No, this is
Yes.
daddy. That's no.
My name. Show me.
This is daddy. Give it to his daddy.
Like this, and I'll lift you up like this.
One eternity later.
Acha. Okay, thank you. What?
This keep recording.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, not from so close.
Ah.
Emotional damn it.
I have to change my gear. Just look at this.
Very sober.
Ryan is installed.
Sure?
रुको जरा, सबर करो। बोला धक्का बुक्की नहीं करने का, आराम से लेने का। हाँ
को ढंग का हेलमेट दे देते हैं, दूध वाला हेलमेट दे दिया।
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा है लौटा, ये अश्लील है ये लोडा।
Sure, give. Give me this.
Bonnie, you have to tie it.
Direct like this, this will cover it, na? The helmet will cover the
No, but
strap.
this has to be tight, na?
Direct. Don't have to be very tight. You won't be able to breathe.
Show me.
He won't get challan. Yeah, I thought the same. Because no, but on this one.
ये क्या है? Forehead is only coming out.
हैं? ये क्या हो गया? ये क्या सुन रहा हूँ मैं?
Kevin, set it now. How will I see?
Yeah. Look here.
No, from here I can't sit, na?
ये भैया इसका सेट करना.
भाई तू यही पहन ले.
Now it's okay.
नहीं, forehead is looking.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा।
How is it?
Forehead है.
टाइट रहेगा भी।
This mask is also from them. Andrew had to buy it from them. So they should be able to. Yeah, Andrew, this mask is from them.
No.
Acha.
Online.
Yeah, now
It's not even fitting his head.
Sure. But ठीक है.
Put money
स्टार्ट करो।
inside his forehead from here.
Little air will come from there, na?
he's getting frightened.
Who's given this?
This is
Free.
चलो.
I'm not joking. They only gave.
This is free for you.
Really ticket?
They said इसके साथ.
Ask them if they have a white or any other color.
Given a very proper one with the British.
Go ask them. Yeah.
So last later.
See who's buying the next one. One second.
Oh, hold this.
Yeah, give it. Where are you going? No, the first start.
Ordered this one. I ordered it from the store again. But 9 kilometers which they had. Now they are giving me a brand new piece of zero. They reordered it. Oh no, that's only gone. That's gone. That's sold out.
Check the chassis number.
Huh?
Check the chassis number.
I saw the scrap. It's sold.
Nice. Jaden, nice.
हाँ.
Jaden, nice.
चलो जीवन बस enough. I'm going. चलिए गाड़ी में जाऊँ. Yes, I'm going.
Daddy.
कर लेगा. From where to exit? I'll exit and bring it here.
Okay.
Go. But कौन call this bugger? This is all screwed up. The size में देगा. नहीं ऊपर नहीं हो रहा. ये खुला हुआ है. खुला नहीं होता है. इस सेट का बॉडी का मैग्नेट भी आपको That's what I'm saying. You have to set it. Ramana. यार ये ही सेट हुआ है. मेरे को सेट करना था और उसी में
आपने बैठ हाँ बाबा ना वहीं जस्ट करो.
नहीं ऊपर नहीं हो रहा. नीचे दिख रहा है. नीचे आप बैठो और चेक करो. Now we are finally heading to church. Imagine with this mask. So first thing first, whenever we get a new vehicle, we'll first fill fuel and then go to church. Get it blessed, and from there we start our journey with whatever vehicle we own. So this is my first vehicle which I purchased with my own money and with the help of God. So God is always there to help, and parents and wife, everybody is there in the process. And the number, show them the number. The number is my birthday date, and Jaden's date of year, and my mother's date of birthday, and my parents' anniversary. So whole lot in one number. And I paid 5,000 extra for this. Okay, it's not come free in luck. Okay. So, chalo, let's head to church. See you in a while now. Let me enjoy, buggers. Woo!
Much later.
See the total. The first tank, the first fuel of this bike.
I'll pay for it.
And she's going to pay for it first and the last time.
क्या बात है सर? क्या बात है सर? क्या बात? ये बात है.
But you know she's never going to pay for this. ये दे रहे भाई. प्रेम सब पहली बार और आखिरी बार देंगे.
शाबाश बेटा.
He's also laughing. Wait, come on now, let's go to church and get this place, this beast place. Woo!
Very nice, very nice.
So this is Sunday now, all the
Everything is visible.
the map comes on this one.
There's a map here?
Yeah.
I
I look for the church. So we'll take you to church now.
Lovely, very nice.
Very heavy for Actually, you know, when Connie made me wear it, no, he just stuffed it in, and this was all covering my ears and all. I didn't know what. Now I've got an idea how to wear it. There.
No, it hasn't yet come this time.
No, little bit, let it be. Air also has to get into my face. Yeah. So we finished with getting this bike blessed, and I've come to my kitchen here to give my chef a gift also. So every year I give him one gift when I complete 1 year of my kitchen. That's also on my birthday. So mostly I've kept things on my birthday. It's easy to remember because I'm bad with dates. So anyways, it's not about me right now, it's about this bugger here, this fatty bugger. Abey, it's damn nice, yaar. And you know, I bought this without taking a test drive. I just bought this like this only. Like I really fell in love with this bike when I saw it on YouTube, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. Daily I was watching videos about this on YouTube. Like every vlog or whoever's made, I was just watching and getting hyped up. Anyways, now it's here. It's going to be with me. I'm going to make many more stories and vlogs and videos and reels. Everything, you'll get to see it on my Insta. I do fast vlogs, takes time because like right now I'm the Thai series is going on, and yeah, after this Thai series now I'm going to be doing there's another international trip coming up by road this time, okay, not by flight. That also you'll get to see soon after the this Thailand series gets over. So anyways, we are heading home now, and there's a party for the birthday boy, and we're gonna have a nice night. Finally, all my paperwork, everything got over in time. First time everything went smoothly, no hiccups, nothing, just butter. Because when things have to happen, they just happen. So anyways, all the details, everything later I'll tell you about the bike once I'm done seeing to it myself, because as I told you, I was just without taking a test drive, I just bought this off. So what to say, yaar, I'm just having a look at this, my eyes can't come off it. Oh, chalo, I'll see you, and I'll end the vlog right at my place, because I'll tell you my entire experience till what I took till there. Okay, so see you in a while. Boom. So she is finally been parked. Finally she's home, and it does give a lot of heat from here. Okay, and it's quite hot today. So Jaden went off to sleep while I was on this, and he enjoyed his ride. That's why he slept off. He got up at 11:30 in the morning and still he slept off, imagine. Anyways, I hope you like this small little vlog and been a part of my happiness. I hope I have many more days like this coming, which I planned. I mean, like for traveling and all, with this bugger here at the back, the teal bugger I am going to call him. So I hope you like this vlog. Yeah, do like, subscribe and all the rituals, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Boom.